Hi sisters and welcome to my vlog. Finally I can say this after a long time. I always wanted to vlog and I thought I'm never prepared for that. But when I got up today, I was like, you know what, let's give a try. And so here I am vlogging today and today is my day off. Ignore करना मेरी morning voice and today is my day off. I thought what would be a better day than to start from today and
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
let's see how it goes. It's basically going to be a day in my life, what I usually do on my day off. So it's going to be all about that. Other days I'll be at office. I'll not be doing any other things than working at office. So I thought Saturday, Sunday would be interesting for me to film and for me to share with you all. And one more thing I wanted to share with you all regarding with the product video.
12 seconds later.
Since I just washed my face and I wanted to share the review about this product which I used in my last skincare video. Coming to the product, it's a hyphen creamy moisturizing cleanser, but I wanted to say कि ये मुझे सूट नहीं करा and after using this my skin started reacting to it very badly. बहुत ज़्यादा itchiness and it was literally burning for me and I thought it could be because of the second face wash. Then I tested this product. I started using only this product for like 2 to 3 times and जब भी यूज़ कर रही थी तब स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा रिएक्ट कर रही थी. सो इट्स कम्प्लीटली नो फॉर मी. आई डोंट नो. So it's completely no for me. I just wanted to share with you all because I might not be able to use this product and share about this product in any of my skincare video. So I thought I just saw this product and I thought I will quickly give the update on this. And now so it's going to be 10:30 time for my breakfast. I got up by 10 o'clock. मैं 10 o'clock उठने के बाद I was in my phone थोड़ी देर ऐसे and then it took 15 minutes for me to decide कि vlog करूँ या नहीं करूँ. And then I thought okay, I can give a try. अगर अच्छा आया तो I can edit and upload. Otherwise if I'm not liking it I might delete all my hard work. I've done that in the past. So okay, so let's get started. It's a beautiful morning and we'll start with the breakfast. I feel like having a masala dosa, but this will take forever for me to prepare a proper masala dosa. बैटर तो मैंने रेडीमेड लेके रखा हुआ है because मुझे बैटर बनाना नहीं आता. Just that I have to make the aloo. So I think should I go with that or should I just go with the cereals? I don't know.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Masala dosa with mango. Let's go. And since it's not a cooking video, I will only share some of the glimpse of me cooking masala dosa. So I'm taking my आलूज. 2 आलू ले लेते हैं. ज़्यादा भूख लगी है, डोसा ख़त्म हो जाए बट आलू ख़त्म नहीं होना चाहिए. I can even eat this आलू later on. So 2 आलू and then now let's get started with the cooking. So now that I'm done with my breakfast, I think it's time for me to clean the entire house, starting from the balcony because 2 weeks से I'm just thinking to clean the balcony but मुझसे ये नहीं हो रहा है. तो I am going to first clean the balcony and finish the laundry. और उसके बाद I have so many other things to do. So let's start with cleaning the balcony. Let me show you how dirty I've kept the balcony. Don't judge me, please. So this is the situation right now, and I've rented this washing machine from Rent to Mojo, जो कि मुझे clean करना पड़ेगा. And this is the situation. ये मुझे फेंकना पड़ेगा, पता नहीं कैसे, but I have to discard this. And here is the actual mess. Old shoes and some pots. And a mirror. So this is the view. So let's start with the cleaning.
Three days later.
So I'm done cleaning the balcony and finished the laundry as well. Now I will quickly get a coffee for myself. I'm not a coffee person, but I am trying to have a coffee a day because I'm not sure it actually helping me 2 दिन का काम एक ही दिन करने के लिए. Since I have so many things to do, I've started drinking a lot of coffee. I don't know whether it's a good habit or not, but it is actually helping me. So now with my coffee, I am going to finish the editing, and I think it's high time for me to do some shopping because आधे से ज़्यादा कपड़े मेरे घर पे हैं, तो I am going to do some serious shopping right now, and after that I will take a shower and then offer my prayers, and then I'll check with my friends if they have any plans for tonight because I'm getting bored at home. So I'll check if they can come and we will have a girls day over. I'll check for that, and if they are free then I will actually cook something for them. So let's see.